Okay, hello fellow Flight Simulator 2020 pilots. So this is a situation that I was having. Once we get rolling, you'll see the aircraft was very hard to control. No matter what I did, it would not fly smooth. I have set it to 0 wind right now, so it's a nice calm day. You'll see once I get up airborne, the aircraft starts rolling left and right, erratic. It does not want to respond to corrects correctly, or to flight controls. It doesn't want to respond to commands correctly. It just wants to roll left and right, very erratic. There you go. Once we get airborne, so gear up. And I'm not doing this, the aircraft is doing this by itself. I'm just trying to keep it level. So there, I get it level, it overshoots, I get it leveled again, it just banks again. It does crazy things that an aircraft is not supposed to do, especially on a nice calm day, with no wind turbulence or nothing. So this was, it was wrecking my head trying to figure out what this was. So I'll bring it in for a landing again. You can see how bad it is during the landing also. And it was doing this with pretty much every aircraft that I would use. Airliners, private jets, twin engine, single engine, everything. It would always just fly very erratic like this. And I found online that several other people had this issue also. I am using a Thrustmasters A10 Warthog flight control setup, so it's a pretty decent joystick with MFG crosswind rudder pedals, so it's designed to control the aircraft very well. I have used it on a lot of other simulators like DCS and stuff like that, and it works good. So I was very surprised how, man, this thing does not work at all. And I tried a lot of different settings. I tried changing the deadband. I tried changing the sensitivity. No matter what I do, it would just fly very, very bad like that. So luckily we got it down in one piece. So we'll get this stopped and I'll show you what I changed to make it fly correctly, like an aircraft is supposed to fly. I'm not a pro pilot or anything, but I have flown a lot of different airplanes. And I have been playing Flight Simulator for a very long time, since 1998. So I got an idea of how it's kind of supposed to work. So if you go here into the generals, and you go into the flight model, see, I had it set up for realistic under legacy. I tried FSX also, I tried intermediate, and none of that would work. Now when I changed it to modern, it works the way it's supposed to. And in piloting, I had it set to hard. I had all the damages on because I try to fly on as realistic as possible. Again, like I said, I was using the A10 HOTAS stick and throttle and the crosswind rudder pedal, so it's a pretty decent setup for flying. So now you'll see once we change that how much better the aircraft flies. Again, it's calm day, no wind, so the aircraft should fly pretty smooth. I mean, yeah, it's an aircraft, so it's gonna roll a little bit here and there, pitch, but it's not as crazy as it was before. You'll see once I get airborne. Now it flies like a real aircraft is supposed to fly. So I mean, look at that. So much better. And that's hands off the stick. So night and day difference right there. If I wanted to roll, it rolls correctly. It doesn't overshoot. It doesn't do crazy things. I'm not constantly having to chase it. It flies the way it's supposed to fly. So we'll bring it in for a landing again. So there you saw a big, huge night and day difference. And now it flies like a real aircraft is supposed to fly. It's not trying to kill me constantly. I'm not having to constantly fight it. So again, I said I tried a lot of different settings. Sensitivity, deadband, assistance with the flight controls, and it still acted crazy like that. No matter what I did, it was still flying bad until I changed it to the modern flight setup. And now again, as you can see now, it flies like an aircraft is supposed to fly. A lot smoother. It's not doing crazy things. It makes the game so much more enjoyable. This is the only bad thing I've had with this game. Everything else about the game, I've loved it. I am very pleased with having such a good product. Waited so long for a new flight simulator, and this one finally showed up. I'm having a blast with it, especially now that I got the control situation fixed. So this has helped me. I hope that this helps you too. And if it does, leave a comment, thumbs up, stuff like that. And I hope that it helps you. If you have any questions about something else, leave it in the comments and I might be able to help you too. So there you go. As you can see now, flying is enjoyable. Flies a whole lot better. So, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.